Okay, our lesson today is on 5-number summaries. Remembering that we were drawing box plots using these 5-number summaries, and we have 5 bits of information. So here is our maximum, here is our minimum, here is our median, and remember that the box is made up of the Q3 over here and Q1. And remember, the analogy was this is the start of the football game. This is like quarter time, got half time, 3/4 time, and then full time. Okay, so end of the game. All right, let's look at our 2 sets of data here. We've got number of cousins and number of students in a class. We'll start off with our number of cousins, and we need to find those 5 numbers. So the very first thing we need to do, first of all, is put them in order. So 0, 2, 4, 7, 7. What else? 10, 13, 16, and 19. Now we cannot do anything until these are in order, remembering that our median, first in particular, is going to be the important factor here. So we've got our maximum and minimum very easily. That's easy to figure out. And now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bits of data. So our median score, remember, will be our n plus 1 over 2 score. We've got n is 9, so we can go 10 over 2. It's that score today. And that will give us our 5th score. So our 5th score is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our median, so our median is 7. All right, so we've got 1, 2, 3 bits of our 5-number summary already. So they're the easy ones. Okay. Q1 and Q3 are like finding the halfway point in each side of the data. So now we've got the higher side, or the high half, and the lower half. So we can see here in our lower half we've got 4 data points, and in our higher point we take our 4 data points as well. When we have one median only, then it doesn't count towards finding out our halves. All right, but in this set down here I'll show you a different way of doing it. Okay, Q1 is halfway between the middle and the end. So we've got smack bang in here, 2 on each side. So that means our Q3 will sit between 2 and 4. So we have to average out 2 and 4, which is 6 over 2, which is 3. So our Q1 is 3. And our Q3 is the same. So we've got 2 on each side. So our median will sit between these scores here. So our Q3 will be 13 plus 16 divided by 2. So we will have 29 divided by 2, which is 14.5. Okay, so far we've got our minimum, maximum, median, Q1 and Q3. So we can have our 5-number summary written down. So min, Q1, median, Q3, and max. We have them all now. Min 0, Q1 3, median 7, this one is 14.5, and our maximum was 19. So there is our full 5-number summary for that set of data. If we move to this one now, we can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bits of data. So we've got our min, let's just write it up first, min, Q1, median, Q3, and then our maximum. Okay, so these are nice and easy to find to start with. Our minimum being 12, and our max, oh, no, I've done something wrong there, haven't I? Because what I need to do is put them in order. Silly me. All right, let's put them in order. So 9, 12, what else we got? 16, 20, 27, 29. All right, there you go. There's a mistake you guys might make. I've made it as well. So our new minimum is, which makes more sense, our maximum is 29. All right, let's find our median. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our median will be n plus 1 over 2, that's score. And yes, I do like to see this working out. And we've got 7 over 2, and that means we have our 3.5th score, which sounds a bit crazy, but remember it's between the 3rd and the 4th. So our median is going to be in between here. So that means we have to average out those two, which is 36 divided by 2, which is 18. So that's our median now. Okay, this is where things get a bit tricky because we don't have one specific median in our data. We had to average it between the two. When we find Q1 and Q3, we actually just put the line down the middle and go, all right, top half, bottom half, now we've just got to find the middle of that. Now in this case it's nice and easy because in our Q1 and our Q3 we've actually got 3 bits of data, so we can find the middle really easily. So Q1 is 12, that's nice and easy, and for our top part of the data for Q3, our middle there is 27. Okay, so there's our 5 number summary, and we're going to use them to make some box plots to represent the data so we can see how it is spread out.